What's up, guys? We're back in the video, and this is gonna be a short video because I didn't have enough time to make another reaction video. So excuse me, but tomorrow you guys will be getting a reaction video. But this is gonna be a video if I see an ad on my YouTube recommended page, the video ends. So basically, like if you just know how you're on YouTube, right, and you see the thingamajiggy with the app with the YouTube thingy, and they try to sell you products. Well, basically, if I see that and my recommended on YouTube on the feed, the video ends. By the way, real quick, y'all should go follow my Insta. I'm gonna pull it up right here. Well, my DMs, you don't wanna see that. Go follow my Instagram, it's right here. So yeah, that's my Instagram real quick. Y'all should go follow that. I post really cool pictures. Thank you. And by the way, y'all should go follow my TikTok. I'll pull it up right now. I post really good content. Look, it's this one, Eugenio 860. My username's Eugene the Goat because I'm a goat. So y'all should go follow my TikTok. That'll be highly appreciative. Anyways, yeah, today we're doing If I See an Ad, the video ends. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna be scrolling through my YouTube. Spirit Halloween, Roblox, breaking news. We got the news, which is good. We got Leona Jackson, Michael Jackson tribute, and doctor stuff on weed. Oh, look at that, we have a fucking ads trying to sell us shoes. Okay,